What is up, everybody? My name is Josh, and on today's show, we are going to show you an easy, simple, minimal ingredients, Sloppy Joe, big Sloppy Joe recipe. All right, let's jump into the show. Now, obviously, this Sloppy Joe recipe can be made inside your house, on your stove, gas, electric stove, pan, skillet, cast iron, whatever. However, as we're approaching the end of November, December, there's very few nice, beautiful, late afternoon weekday evenings like this one right now. So I'm gonna be outside cooking on our Monument Grills Denali, using the little side burner, toasting our buns on the grill. We're gonna be doing some outdoor cooking. You know that I love outdoor cooking. And not only is this gonna be an awesome Sloppy Joe recipe, but Monument Grills really hooked it up. As Black Friday sale is coming, they are offering two of our subscribers, two people that watch this video, two different prizes. There's gonna be two winners. It's gonna be an epic giveaway for Black Friday to kick off the holiday season. Stay tuned, watch the whole video. I think you're really gonna like this Sloppy Joe recipe, and you have a chance to win some really cool stuff. We have been using the heck out of this Denali 405. We're loving this thing. So I got my little Babes Always pan. It's basically like a makeshift cast iron. I got some olive oil in there. We're gonna be using that side burner. We're gonna be toasting the buns on the Monument Grills right here. Everything is gonna be prepared outdoors. I got my little in-grain cutting board here. Let me go over the ingredients. That's 1 pound of ground chuck, 80-20 ground chuck, salt, pepper, some chipotles, little can of tomato paste, some W sauce, or you can use Worcestershire sauce, half a can of beer. I already pre-chopped. That's some green bell pepper, some onion, and some garlic. And that's it. That's literally, I'm gonna get some cheese to put on because I like Sloppy Joes with cheese. But this is all of our ingredients. It's a super simple recipe. Just like that, it lights up that easily. Let's get our olive oil a little warm. I'm gonna keep this at like a medium heat right here. And like I said, I just love outdoor cooking. First thing going in, this is like, it's a small onion. You can do a half an onion. This just happened to be a small onion. A couple cloves of garlic that I already pre-chopped up. And this is 1 bell pepper. So I'm just gonna put this all in and sweat this out and let the neighborhood know that we're cooking. All right, see, I got this big old piece of bell pepper that I left in here, so take that out. We'll just sweat this down in the olive oil. I mean, the minute that stuff hits the olive oil, you know it already smells good. You know, another reason why I really like this recipe, and I think that it's relevant, especially as we approach the holiday season, is because it's very few ingredients and it's very simple. And you could, like I said, I'm having fun cooking outdoors, but you can make it inside. It's a weeknight tonight. It's only a couple ingredients, and it feeds a family very easily. Like this was 1 pound of ground chuck, 80-20. So now we're just gonna work that in, and it just comes together really, really easily, and it's a really good dinner. These chipotles in the adobo sauce, I'm not using the whole can, I'm just using some. It depends on how smoky you want it. But I'm gonna grind this up in there. Usually I get the glass jar and it has more juices, but this is all I had. But that's about all I'm gonna do, and I'm just gonna work this in and kind of smush these around. I do like to use damn near the whole can of tomato paste, though, because it's a small can. So I'll get that in there, working around. There we go. And it's just all gonna incorporate together and just be fantastic. A little bit of salt and pepper. If you haven't bought some W sauce yet, give them a rip. They're really, really good. Put some of that in. I'm just letting this beef cook down a little bit before I add the beer in, which is our last ingredient. Because depending on how watery or what your consistency that you like with your Sloppy Joes, depends on how much beer you're gonna add. If it's too dry, obviously you'll add more beer. But you also have the fat rendering down from this beef. So you just gotta watch it and kind of do it whatever makes you happy. All right, let's just start working some in. And this is obviously going to reduce down. Oh yeah, now those smells are really coming through. It smells so good. Now you guys are probably waiting for the giveaway, the best part of the video. Actually, the recipe for Sloppy Joe's is probably the best part, but the giveaway. So all you gotta do is subscribe to our channel, the Josh and Babe YouTube channel. You have to subscribe to the Monument Grills YouTube channel. You have to hit that little thumbs up on this video, and you need to leave a comment that includes, something about Sloppy Joe's. Did you eat Sloppy Joe's growing up? What do you think about the recipe? Something about Sloppy Joe's and how easy they are to make on a weeknight, and put hashtag Monument Grills in it. That's it. Super, super simple. All the details of the giveaway and links below are going to be in the description below. Now, Monument Grills is going to, in conjunction with us, we are going to pick 2 lucky winners from the comments at random on November 21st. One person is going to win a $250 Monument Grill gift card, valid 30 days from when you receive it. Now, that's awesome because you're already gonna get a discount by using the link below. You can go on the website. That's really gonna kick off your holiday gift giving. You're gonna have $250 towards whatever you want on the Monument Grills website. The second winner is going to win a Monument Grills desktop griddle, which I will link that below. Everything is linked below. 2 lucky winners. Somebody's getting a griddle. You know that we love griddle cooking. We have a ton of griddle videos. Somebody's getting a $250 gift card, all for watching this video and doing what I just said. I think it's a really good deal, and I think that is an absolutely outstanding way to kick off your holiday season. All right, let's get back to Sloppy Joe's. It honestly reminds me of camping a little bit. That's why I just like getting in the backyard and cooking outdoors, whether it be barbecuing, working on our Monument Grills. It's just a really nice evening, just hanging out, making some Sloppy Joe's. I transferred it over here. I got just low simmering burners. It's all done. Toasting some buns, got some mozzarella cheese, and then we'll just build. And that's how easy it was. And like I said in the beginning of the video, you could do this in your house. It's just way more fun to do it on a Monument Grills outside. Okay, there we go. Beautiful. It's supposed to be sloppy, right? Nice, easy weekday meal. Better than anything you're getting from a can, that's for sure. Oh yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. I got to roll our top tier channel members. Everybody that hit the little join button next to the subscribe button, subscribe button on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook. Everybody, thank you guys so much for supporting Babe and my little hobby. Hope you enjoyed the Sloppy Joe video. Good luck on the giveaway, and we'll see you on the next video.